Today, we're going to talk about turmeric and how to make turmeric oil. This should be like the first thing in your medical toolbox. For anything topical, funguses, rashes, shingles, HPV. If it leaves a surface anything on your body, this stuff deals with it. Curcumin, which is the stuff that's so potent that it's literally dyeing the inside of this glass container yellow, is one of the most potent antifungals known to mankind. It's twice as strong as the leading pharmaceutical antifungal, and I can drink this. I can't drink the leading pharmaceutical antifungal. And this is cheap to make. It's an antiviral, it's an antibacterial, it's an antimicrobial. Literally, if you got ringworm of the scalp, you have to take an oral antifungal to get rid of it. You just keep putting this stuff on your head, and that ringworm of the scalp will go away. It'll literally seep down into the hair follicles, leach into the body through your skin, and kill the fungus. Like, turmeric oil is where it's at. Now, to make turmeric oil, all you have to do is, well, ideally you should be prepared to sacrifice a blender because it's going to get stained yellow. But you just buy a glass container so that the plastic doesn't leach into the turmeric oil. You want a glass container. And coconut oil is usually sold in a glass container. So buy yourself a glass container of coconut oil. Pour that into the blender with, say, a half a pound to a quarter of a pound of turmeric and blend it into a pulp. Pour that into a frying pan, turn the heat on high, and just stir it every 15 minutes until the turmeric starts to blacken. And you'll see that the outer edges of the turmeric are starting to blacken. Turn off the heat and just keep coming back and stirring it. And it's going to smell like slightly burnt popcorn. And if you add, I'm not joking, if you add salt to this stuff, it tastes like lightly buttered popcorn that's been salted. It's good stuff. So you can use it as a medical and you can use it as a seasoning and a sauce. Very good. But once the turmeric has blackened, or started to blacken, you turned off the heat, let it cool, which will take an hour or two. It's oil. It does not give up heat easy. And during that time, it'll finish charring and burning all of the curcumin, I think I said that right, hope I said that right, out of the turmeric and into the coconut oil. You then pour the cool oil that you just let air cool through a strainer into a container so you can get the turmeric out and have just the coconut turmeric oil, which you can then pour into a mason jar like I have here, and this stuff just keeps because it's an antifungal, antimicrobial, antibacterial. Like I made 2 jars of this stuff, like when I'm saying I made 2 jars of this stuff, I made 2 jars of this stuff because it just keeps forever. Like it lasts. Let's stain the inside of this glass yellow a little bit. There we go. But, I mean, this is good stuff. It's something you can make cheap in bulk. This cost me maybe $50 to make these 2 containers worth of turmeric. And this will last me a year. Maybe longer. This one container will last me a year. I actually have 2 years worth with this here. And then, of course, to make things easy to apply, you just go and get one of these guys here. And now you can, let me put this down. Now I can open this up, squeeze, get my turmeric out of it. Now, as you can see, it is very, very yellow. I can put it into my hand. And I literally smell like popcorn now. Keeps the skin looking young and fresh. Makes your hair look glossy and healthy. Like, it's a great cosmetic too. As amusing as it sounds. I know, a guy worried about cosmetics, but I don't buy that expensive shit that they sell at the store. I'm going to use a cosmetic. I'm going to use something that makes my gray hairs, if I have any, look blonde. And just in general, take care of my skin and keep it young and full. But now you know how to make turmeric oil. You know the plethora of things you can use to cure, deal with, clear. That's it. Now if you enjoyed this video, remember to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you on the flip side.